This is the Barcelona giving machines. Actually, we call them the máquinas solidarias in Spanish.
Las máquinas solidarias que llegan a Barcelona, aquí a La Maquinista, de la mano y sobre todo del corazón de la Iglesia de Jesucristo, de los santos de los últimos días, es la culminación de un proceso de solidaridad, de haber creado redes de compasión, de pasión compartida, redes de comunión, en las que la Iglesia ha estado ayudando a muchas entidades.
We are working together with amazing organizations, NGOs that are willing to join us in helping those in need, the poor and needy, in this special season of Christmas.
It's not only about money, it's about the spirit that you feel by giving something to some people and people who are needed. And so I think that's the wonderful thing of the giving machines. It's going to be here until the 7th of January, so for everybody who wants to come here, they can come and get some of the cards.